Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet these flower coasters. So let's get started. So we'll start with a magic ring. To make a magic ring, we'll wrap the yarn around our two fingers like this, and then we'll insert our hook below the first loop, grab the second loop and pull it to this side, and then we'll make one chain. So here is our magic ring. Make two chains. Then into the ring we are going to make 12 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just like this we'll make total of 12 double crochets into the ring. Once you complete the round, we'll pull this tail and close the ring. Then into the first stitch we'll make slip stitch. To start round 2 we'll chain 2, and then in this round we're going to make increases. So into the same stitch I'll make one increase. So yarn over and insert your hook into that same stitch. Make 2 double crochets. I'm going to mark my first double crochet. Then we'll make a chain, and into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochets. Make one chain. Then into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Just like this we'll complete the whole round. Once you complete the round, make one chain, remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. To start round 3, we'll make 2 chains. Into that same stitch we'll make one double crochet. Then I'll mark this stitch, and into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochets. Make one chain. Then we're going to skip this one chain stitch, and into the next stitch I'm going to make one double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Chain 1. Then we'll skip the next chain, and into the next stitch make one double crochet. Just like this we'll complete the whole round. After completing the round, make one chain and make slip stitch into the first stitch. To start next round we'll make 2 chains. Into the same stitch we'll make one double crochet. Then I'll mark the stitch. Come to the next stitch and make one double crochet. And into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochets. Make one chain. Then we're going to skip the next chain space and then continue making rest of our steps. That is one double crochet. Then place one double crochet into the next stitch, and then into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Just like this we'll complete the whole round. After completing the round, make one chain and make slip stitch into the first stitch. Yarn over, make one chain, and then we'll cut the yarn. Then we're going to hide loose ends. Now we are going to attach the green yarn. So I'm going to insert my hook into any of this stitch like this, and we'll take the green yarn. I'm going to leave this much part, place it like this, yarn over and pull through that stitch, then yarn over and make one chain. Now into that same stitch I'm going to make one single crochet. So insert your hook into that same stitch, make sure you have your loose end on the hook and make one single crochet, and then I'm going to mark this stitch, then make 4 chains. Then we're going to skip next 2 stitches, and into the third stitch I'm going to make one single crochet. Again make 4 chains, skip 2 stitches. In this round we're going to count this chain as one stitch, so we'll skip 2 stitch, 1 2, and then into the third one we'll make one single crochet. Now repeat the same thing for this whole round. In the last one skip 2 stitches and make slip stitch into the first stitch. For the next round I'm going to insert my hook into the first space and make one single crochet. Then I'll mark the stitch, then make 3 chains. Now into the same space we are going to make one double crochet and one chain, and we'll repeat it for a total of 3 times. So first make one double crochet, then make one chain, then one double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet, and make one chain. Then I'll make 2 more chains, and then into the same space I'm going to make one single crochet. Now insert your hook into the next space and make one single crochet, make 3 chains. Now we'll make one double crochet and chain 1, and we'll repeat it for a total of 3 times. Then we'll make 2 more chains, and into the same space we'll make one single crochet. Just like this we'll complete the whole round. Once you complete the round, we'll remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. Then we'll cut the yarn. And we'll hide. Now we're going to make flowers. So I've made this one, then we'll skip this next part and we'll make flowers into the next space. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first space. I'll insert my hook in the first space. Then we'll take the pink yarn, leave this much part, and we'll place it like this, yarn over and pull the yarn to this side, then yarn over and make one chain. Now I'll insert my hook into the same space. Make sure you have the loose end on your hook, and then we'll make one single crochet. Then I'll mark the stitch, and then we'll make one chain. Now into the same space we're going to make 6 double crochets. After making 6 double crochets, I'm going to make one chain, and then into the same space I'll make one single crochet. Here we complete our first petal. Now we'll make another petal into the next space. So you'll have to pull your stitches little backwards, and then you'll see your next space. Into that we'll repeat the same steps. That is one single crochet, then one chain, and then 6 single crochets into the same space. And then we'll make one chain and one single crochet into the same space. Now come to the next space, and into this we'll repeat the same steps. Then we'll make one chain and one single crochet into the same space. Here we complete our third petal. Now we'll make the last one. Once you make 4 petals, then we're going to join it like this. For that, we'll remove the marker and insert your hook into that stitch. Then yarn over and pull through that stitches. And then I'll cut the yarn. Then we'll pull this tail and close the gap between the flower. And we'll tie 2 to 3 knots. And then we'll cut this both tails. Then we'll skip the next part, and into the next one we'll make another flower. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.